welcome back to my channel. This is Ask Candace. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. If you do want to see a review in swatches, please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. If you have not seen my previous review on the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk collection, I'll leave it right over here in the cards if you guys are interested. Charlotte Tilbury is currently having 30% off on her website. I purchased 12 different lipstick shades. I wanted to try different shades because I wasn't impressed by the Pillow Talk collection. I know that's kind of excessive, but it was a build your own bundle. This is her Black Friday sale. It's the Build Your Own Matte Revolution Lipstick Kit. It says enjoy 30% off this build your own matte lipstick kit. Choose 3 magical shades for a lip look for any mood and any moment. I purchased 4 different lip bundles. I got the Hot Lips Icons kit. So this includes 3 different lipstick shades of your choosing. I got the Hot Lips Icons kit, 3 of those sets, and then I got 1 of the Build Your Own Matte Revolution Lipstick Kit. The Hot Lips Icon kit retails for $105, but since I got it for 30% off, I paid $73.50 for each bundle. And then the Build Your Own Matte Revolution Lipstick Kit, that retails for $102, and with 30% off it's $71.40. A lot of you guys DM me on Instagram wanting me to try different shades from Charlotte Tilbury, not only just the Pillow Talk collection. The main reason why I made that video because Pillow Talk was the most talked about shade in her collection. I wanted to do an extension of that video, but wait until there was a sale to dive right in. We're first going to start with the Hot Lips 2 because the packaging of the original Hot Lips isn't as interesting as the Hot Lips 2. The packaging is what drew me right in. Hot Lips 2 collection, I purchased 3 different shades. They are here at the top, and the packaging is so unique. It says Hot Lips and then Charlotte Tilbury, and then on the back it just tells you the ingredients and you have the little barcode. So we're gonna start with the lightest shade here. This is called Angel Alessandra. Let's just pop this open. Wow. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love the presentation. The lipstick tube is gorgeous. Packaging is definitely 10 out of 10. I just love the little details on the packaging. You can see that the panther has green eyes and it does have the Charlotte Tilbury logo. So let's open this up. I love this little gold detail. Again, this is called Angel Alessandra. Embossed on the lipstick, you have a print logo of a lipstick. Angel Alessandra is described as a nude shade. Swatched, very creamy. It definitely covered up my dark upper pigmented lip. The shade in Angel Alessandra is a little bit too light for my skin tone. I do want to pair the shade in Angel Alessandra with a brown lip liner just to see what it looks like. It's definitely more wearable with a brown lip liner. The lip liner that I use is from e.l.f. Next shade is called Carnita Star. I forgot to mention that there is a bit of a description on the Matte Revolution lipsticks. So it does say luminous, modern matte, long-lasting lipstick, a cashmere cream texture with a soft matte finish, enriched with papaya and orchid extracts. And on the other side, it does say it in a different language. Let's go ahead and open up Carnita Star. Again, the packaging, it's so beautiful. I just love the details. You can see the moon here on the bottom. And then you have the little stars. It's just beautiful presentation. This is a pretty shade. Carnita Star is described as a soft coral. This shade is so gorgeous. The next shade is called Patsy Red. Again, the packaging is stunning. I just love the leopard print. Again, the details on the packaging is beautiful. Patsy Red is described as a red shade. pretty. I actually like this red shade on me. Moving on to the original Hot Lips. I purchased 6 different shades. This one only has 1 shade at the top, but the other shades on the side next to the barcode. On the other side of the lipstick, you have the ingredients, and then it just says Hot Lips 2 on the front. And then on the back of the packaging, it tells you a little bit about the formula. The one in the middle is the kissing formula, and the other 2 shades on the side is a matte. First, gonna start off with the kissing formula. This shade is called Hot Emily. You guys can see it, it's right over there, printed above the barcode. This packaging is glossy versus the other packaging, it's matte. Kind of lets us know the difference with the formula. Let's go ahead and open this up. This packaging is Charlotte's signature packaging versus the other one. It's a little bit more unique. That's why I love this packaging more. But let's see what the shade in Hot Emily looks like. Very pretty, and it does have the embossed lipstick design, and then at the top, I forgot to show you, it does say CT, and then on the bottom of the lipstick you do also have the shade name. It says Hot Emily. Hot Emily is described as a bright warm coral. That is so bright. This shade in Hot Emily is a little bit too bright for my liking. Let's see what the next one looks like. The next shade is called Secret Selma. This shade looks so pretty. Secret Selma is described as a deep rose plum. It's very beautiful. I love this shade in Secret Selma. It's the most wearable shade so far. Next shade is called Super Cindy. Super Cindy looks like it might wash me out. Super Cindy is described as a muted nude. It's definitely going to be way too light, but let's try it on. As expected, the shade in Super Cindy does wash me out, but let's see what it looks like paired with a dark brown lip liner. With a dark brown lip liner, the shade in Super Cindy is more wearable for my skin tone, whereas the shade alone didn't really suit my skin tone, and you can use any dark brown lip liner that you have lying around. This one did come in a set, and I didn't really have a dark brown lip liner. Any dark brown lip liner would work. The next shade is called Miranda May. This shade is so vibrant. Miranda May is described as a bright coral pink. It's a little bit too bright again for my liking, but let's see what it looks like on the lips. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this shade is very vibrant for my liking. The next shade is called Karina's Love. This shade is beautiful. Karina's Love is described as a bright medium red. This would be a great holiday shade. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented so it can cover up my dark upper lip, but you can still see my lip peeking through. The next shade is called Tell Laura. The shade name is at the top versus, where's the barcode? Versus as near the barcode like the previous shades were. Let's see what the shade in Tell Laura looks like. Oh wow, you guys, this shade is another vibrant shade. I don't know if I can pull this shade off, but let's see what its swatch is like. Tell Laura is described as a warm orange red. Surprisingly, this shade works with my skin tone. It is gorgeous. Last three shades I purchased are the original Matte Revolution. The first shade is called Red Carpet Red. I didn't realize how many red shades I purchased. It doesn't have the embossed printed lip like the previous shade. Red Carpet Red is described as a ruby red. Very pretty. I never thought I would say this, but I actually really do love this red shade on me. It is beautiful. It looks really good, which I'm surprised by because I don't really like red on me. The next shade is called Mi Kiss. Oh wow, this shade is gorgeous as well. Mi Kiss is described as a berry red shade. It's gorgeous. This shade in Mi Kiss is another wearable shade. The last shade is called Love Liberty. This shade is gorgeous as well. Love Liberty is described as a berry pink. This shade is gorgeous as well. Here we have all 12 shades swatched on the back of my hand. The three most wearable shades that I purchased is this shade in Love Liberty, Secret Selma, and the other shade was Mi Kissing. The last two shades are the most wearable shades. I'm gonna apply the shade in Secret Selma right underneath it so you guys can see what it looks like side by side. As you guys can see that these three shades are the most wearable that I purchased out of this entire collection. They're so beautiful, they're so universal on me. They don't wash me out like some of the other shades. I also really did like these three shades as well. So this shade here is called Tell Laura. It's that beautiful orange red shade. Serena's love that bright medium red shade. And the last shade in Red Carpet, which looks so sophisticated on me. I loved it. I could not believe how beautiful this shade looked on me, and I normally don't like red shades. These three shades were not my favorite. Hot Emily, it was a little bit too bright for me. The shade in Super Cindy washed me out wearing it alone, so I do have to pair it with a lip liner. And the last shade in Miranda May, it was too corally pinky for me. The last three shades I didn't really like either. I just liked the packaging. The shades didn't wow me at all, but the packaging was really pretty. My final thoughts on the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks is that I don't think it's worth the hype. It's not something that I would run out and get. These lipsticks are gonna transfer if you guys are eating and drinking. Honestly wanted to fall in love with these lipsticks. I wanted it to be worth it, but for $34 each lipstick, it's not worth it. Even when it's on sale, I wouldn't even recommend it. I'm not sure why everybody is hyping up these lipsticks. There are some other brands out there that are dupes for Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not a dupe channel, I'm just a review channel. I'm pretty sure that you can find some dupes out there. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be disappointed with my opinion, but that's totally fine. I would welcome you guys to comment anything down below and let me know your thoughts on her lipstick. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.